Add the tomatoes to the air fryer and the result will surprise you. Start by placing 1.5 kilos of ripe tomatoes straight into an air fryer basket. Then add 3 heads of garlic, all peeled, 1 red onion cut into smaller pieces, and to season, add 2 teaspoons of salt, a pinch of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, a pinch of black pepper. Drizzle everything with 150 milliliters of extra virgin olive oil. And mix everything up to add this seasoning to the tomatoes. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Finally, take it to the air fryer. Set it to 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and fry for 20 minutes. But keep an eye out, as this time may vary depending on the power of your oven. This is the right point. Now transfer everything to a blender and blend at maximum power until combined. Have you got That Recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type That Recipe, and download it. This is the right blend. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye-bye.